How to replace iPhone battery. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to replace an iPhone battery. Step 1 *, power off your iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Step 2 * heat up the edges of the iPhone screen with a heat gun or hair dryer to soften the adhesive. Step 3 * use a suction cup and a pry tool to carefully separate the screen from the frame. Step 4 * the battery connector to the logic board. Step 5 * disconnect the battery connector from the logic board. Step 6 * peel off the adhesive strips that secure the battery to the frame. Step 7 * remove the old battery. Step 8 * place the new battery in the frame and align it with the battery connector. Step 9 * connect the battery connector to the logic board and secure it with the screws. Step 10 * apply new adhesive strips to the battery. Step 11 * reattach the screen to the frame and press down firmly to seal the adhesive. Step 12 * replace the SIM card tray and power on your iPhone. Important safety tips * be careful not to overheat the iPhone screen, as this could damage the internal components. * use caution when working with the battery, as it is a delicate component. * if you are not comfortable replacing the battery yourself, you can take your iPhone to an Apple store or authorized service provider. Additional tips * if you have an iPhone 12 or later, you will need to use a special tool to remove the screen. This tool is available from Apple or from third-party retailers. * if you are replacing the battery on an iPhone 13 Pro or iPhone 13 Pro Max, you will need to remove the display assembly first. This can be a tricky process, so it is important to follow the instructions carefully. * once you have replaced the battery, it is important to calibrate the battery gauge. To do this, drain the battery completely and then charge it to 100%.